I've completely lost count if it's day 6 or 7 of heatwave conditions over the Western Interior and will continue up until Friday over the Karoo as well as the Eastern Cape and parts of the Free State up until next week, Monday in the Northern Cape. Now, Tansari in Rustenburg is telling me it's extremely hot in Northwest, so why is it not included in the heatwave area? So to explain that, we need to understand what exactly is a heat wave, and it's only considered a heat wave when the forecast temperature is 5 degrees or higher than the average temperature for the hottest month, and this should persist for 3 days or longer. So for example, in my hometown, the hottest month is January. We can definitely feel that, and the average temperature is 29 degrees, so the forecast temperature should be 34 degrees or higher for 3 days or more for it to be considered a heat wave. So how hot is it going to get on Friday, or can we expect any rain? Let's see. On Tuesday, from late afternoon after an extremely hot day during heatwave conditions, a few thunderstorms brought some relief to the heat, especially in the Little Karoo. Those storms moved over the southern coastline and into the Eastern Cape. But on Friday, we're expecting mainly dry conditions across South Africa, only a few showers moving into the low veld and a few heat-induced thunderstorms likely over the southern areas of South Africa. And then by Sunday, finally, that surface trough will start to strengthen and move down a few thunderstorms from Namibia into the Northern Cape as well as the Karoo and the Eastern Cape. Your rainfall probability map for this Friday, it's dry over the northern and western areas, very isolated thunderstorms likely over the Karoo as well as parts of the Eastern Cape. This includes Lesotho and surrounding areas, with a tropical low pressure system in the Mozambique Channel pushing in a few showers over Mozambique as well as the Lowveld and along the Scarpment as well as parts of Limpopo. A foggy start to your Friday morning for the coast of the Western Cape as well as in the mother city. Later have 25 degrees, sunny and hot to very hot over the interior of the Western Cape. 38 degrees in Laingsburg, 41 degrees in Beaufort West, a westerly wind blowing and soaring to 39 degrees in Graafrenet. Yet again, a few heat-induced thunderstorms might bring some relief here and there in the Eastern Cape, but most of the thunderstorms will quickly blow away with temperatures the afternoon in the mid to upper 30s. And an onshore southerly wind expected in East London. A northeasterly wind blowing fresh at times in East London. It's another sunny, hot and humid day with 32 degrees in Durban and soaring to 33 degrees in Pietermaritzburg, peaking at 30 in Newcastle. Partly cloudy at first in the low-veld, temperature around 30 degrees. It's a mainly sunny day with maximums in the mid-20s for the high-veld. And then in Limpopo, that tropical low-pressure system will bring in some cloud and light showers on Friday for the low-veld as well as the northern areas, but it's still quite warm to very warm with temperatures above 30. Another sunny and hot today for northwest, no rain expected with temperatures yet again soaring above 30 degrees. It's dusty as well as in the Northern Cape, northerly winds blowing, runaway fires still a major risk due to the extreme heat and windy weather. In the Free State, also sizzling hot over the northern and western areas, 36 degrees in Forestmith and peaking at 35 in Bloemfontein. Another sunny and hot today for Gauteng. It will remain dry with 33 degrees in Pretoria and peaking at 30 degrees in Johannesburg. Here's your weekend weather forecast. Lots of sunshine on Saturday over the interior of South Africa. Partly cloudy skies and cooler conditions expected over the southern areas, with light showers expected on Saturday and Sunday in parts of the low. And finally, a few thunderstorms expected to move for parts of the Northern Cape. It's still heatwave conditions over large parts of the province, 42 in Upington, 40 in Dar, and a few thunderstorms also expected to move over the southern coast. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.